Hello everyone, I have this 4 mini aquarium and I have to transform into something very beautiful. So first I will watch these aquariums here with water and alright, have to watch the aquarium here. 1, 2, I'll put all the aquariums here. So don't forget subscribe and hit like, because this is not easy to do with one hand and the other hand is filming. So I will remove the dust here. Just washing the aquarium with normal water. Just with water. Yeah, the aquarium now is cleaned. I have to put water, cleaned water, so I will put water from these tanks. I know that it's clean, so that's why I will put this water. I will remove water slowly like this, so I can get clean water like this, slow, and then just put like this without problem. I have to fill this aquarium to the middle or upper middle like this. I will show you the size. You see, I have some goldfish here, but I think goldfish is not good for this aquarium, so I put another fish here. Alright, one is good, done. Another one here. You see, this be like this. And follow this channel, subscribe, comment, because on this video I will build the aquarium, low cost aquarium, since the initial size of the aquarium. And also I'll put some water, clean water here. So I'm filling the aquarium with water now, and after that I will go to the last aquarium here. See here, this is the aquarium. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, because on this video you will learn everything about fishes and low cost building aquarium. So this is the water, cleaned water, you can see. Remove it from this aquarium into that. And I need some plants like this here, so I will cut this one here from this. Put here some. I will cut here one, another one put here, and other one I'll put there. Need one more like this, so like this here. These don't have too much plants. I'll get some plants here like this, yeah, just to become some green. I like green, and this will have too much. I'll put here some. Alright, this is from the oxygen in the aquarium. Plants generate oxygen, so it's nice for the fish. So the 4 aquarium, 1, 2, 3, 4 aquariums, it's all now with water and plants. So the third part is to choose the fish. On this part here I will choose the fish here. I have some fish not so well here, so I will catch them and put into the, I want to transport this fish to the other place, so then I will choose which one will start. I have 2 here. Here. So 2 fish here. one here. So let's see the fourth. Now I have to choose which fish belong to what place. I choose this one here with this big aquarium because look at this beautiful fish here. If you know, this is a betta crown tail. I put here one, so one is there, another one I put here. This is another betta placat, and the last one I put here. So I want to choose one from this spot here. I know a beautiful betta here. Look at this one. I put these two here, but I just want one. Yeah. See that here. But there is another big one here. Wow, I want to choose this one. Let me put this one here. Yeah, and I will remove this one. Just look at this color, man. Oh, it's jumped. Look at this color. So beautiful. The aquariums here with the fish, it's time to clean the glass like this. With a tissue, you clean the aquarium so you can see very nice the fishes, and also it will become more bright. You can see here. So this is it. Look at this right here. Okay, this is the one, and the other one is there. I don't know if you can see this one here. It's coming, and also this one is coming here. See this one, the blue one here, and also the red one is here. So beautiful, this red one. Look. And for the last, the best I have here, this one of the best patterns I have here. Look at this.